Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Haka Henry Terek moto bena jeliu arajar arpau, ki pulet jong ka pramer traffic cell. Kilayo pidang ye kejing ujor bala ujor da kawai kelong kame, nakasnong That Muthlong A West Gentils District. Kebala ujor baka kon kentai jongka kebadang khatsan snem karta kala syara bor haka santarek mentahi ubna jeliu ha away ubreu yo beltep kerteng kum u double mi rupsi bat ya kani ka khna lara bor syakasnong lomsnong hadin balayo pedang ye kani kejing mudai nakaliang ketnat pulet ro kala bodden marmar ye kani kejing ja bat layo pelat ye kani ka khna na lomsnong bat kemru yu ubreu balara bor bat la pengat ro yu haki kendon an baper kentop ro haka pokso ak Hadian baki pulet kila pelong yang kejeng token hapok kejelam jong ka DSP ka kongkom Crescency W Lingdo lalap sa shushu ye kiwe de ki kam jong kti jong u double mi rupsi ye kiwe pat ki kena kentai Hadian kendat por layo shushuru sa sautli ki jing ujor persya yu ne ubreu halor ke jing jong kti jong u saya kiwe pat ki kena kentai ki padang hakarta kendai kat waisnam bat kat arsnam karta.
A very difficult weekend for us. However, as you've seen in our videos that we have said that we go beyond the call of duty. So our women officers led by Crescency W Lindo, who's our DSP crime, have gone beyond the call of duty to ensure that justice is given to the young minor girls. So for a more detailed discussion or rather more detailed briefing on the case, I will request DSP crime to kindly brief you all on the particular case.
Akan Terek jong new benai, kemudian last week uka Saturday, niyo kawai complain pada niwe kentai iwan report 8 mile traffic cell, iwan non complain ba ikon jong ba khatsan senam, ila asya rabor hawe ubriu ba itu. Ira rabor ini kun jong inaye menakasnong bagi sa yang terlokalti bagi sa rabor isya kasnong belum snong. Ubriu dia bata ubriu bala syang slam hagan hang pahapok lat mutlong tamba uterai pada syapok lumsnong ke ipa jia pada long hakan dru terik ba ka ndeh ka santrek jom nu benai o ni ubriu umi na polat mutlong ulara jubor ya ikun jomi ba khasan snam sha supposedly from tu lumsnong accordingly haka dru terik hi wan aida ka written complaint ko 8 mile traffic cell accordingly hi the moment we received the information, nila form yung with a special team, bagantop yung officer, yung constable kantay, bercunrang, ban kandak yung kanika, ban attend to this case. Immediately, hinga proceed to Port Lumshnong. Luckily, unfortunately, were able to get both the victim and the so alleged accused person at Lumshnong. Accordingly, yung kanika kana hinga lara rescue. But you know, accused person ru bakumbagi ni kimi hila ay ka FIR nila yo ban kem nang to but the victim la ra juai accordingly ni victim ru la pa for medical examination and you know accused la arrest nang taw nang ban for judicial custody with regards to ye ni khlung pa ini kenthe ini khna pa di bakat samsnam nagla da medical nila ay counseling mun mala nalem jungi tamba the rest of the counseling padde consulate po sil dusi bade ye child welfare committee tingla da tho nila ay in writing for official writing ru la tip syaka sildusi bakin le eko follow up as well as professional or psychological help from their end regarding the victim. And then yes, in addition to that, anding la register case yakan ibade na la kem to accuse layo to victim. Interestingly or surprisingly, but there what it leads to the other result. It leads to the other cases, but there it seems, but it was allegedly that Nuju accused person, he has also sexually assaulted other 4 minor victims, aged around 9, 11, and 12 years old. Apart from this first complaint, where a 15-year-old girl was sexually assaulted by this accused person. Naladap arrest pada itu mentap ida link lain ba ula sexually assaulted ru yaki other 4 minor victims. Tamot la long santli case hamne. Tikumno lali abing la insist itu family members baki day and one I deka written complaint. Kikilawan I mablimanen kibahin hasam jom itu ki ini kipajan tu kena pasamut pada kilawan I complaint menen hapo pramar traffic cell Then accordingly, separate cases has also been registered against the same accused person. So a total of 5 cases has been registered just yesterday against the same accused person. But of course, the minor victim is different, so that's why we have to take up also different cases. So accordingly, same procedure hi adopt. But first thing first is priorities for the victim. Tinggal rapi legit prosecusi, bagi counselling, bagi accused take mga omane, ada parasi, dan debu apa judicial custody. They are from the extended families related to one another. They are all from the same clan, extended families. So all the 5 victims, they belong to they are related to one another. All the 5 victims. It appears to happen as per the FIR is like 1 month back, and one is in 2 weeks back. Double meaning group C. He hailed from this Batao village. Actually, he's from East Jainti Hills, but he married to one of the sister of the victim girl. So it's been 2 years he married to the sister of the victim girl, but of course now they're no longer living together.
Kipulet jong kathanat ke Bahajawai, ha West Jainti Hills District. Kilayo pedang ye kajing ujor na kibahiyeng jong kawai ke samla lot badang khat news nam karta. Ha kabala keno persya yau Heimon mi susngi arpu pras nam karta. Baula jong ti klamakor ya kani ke samla lot. Kat kum gani ke ujor lai tho bakani ke jingja jong ti jang uni ubreu ya gani ke samla lot. Kalaja ha ka handreu terek matau bana jileu arajar arpau kumba ha kapor sanchi teng janmien. Hadin balayo pedang ye kani ke jing mudoi kipulet na kathanat jawai kila kemno yo Heimon mi susngi bat la pengat yo hakikin don an kibabonjat kontobru ha ka an pokso act.
We have registered 6 POCSO cases. So, but the other cases is like the complainant again is the mother of the victim. The victim is 17 years old. Again, it's the same case that she was sexually assaulted by one person known name as Heimon Susngi from Namba. He is 28 years old. And the victim is around 17 years old. So again, this case also, she was sexually assaulted by this known person, Heimon Susi of 28 years old. Case has been registered, accused has been arrested and forwarded to judicial custody.
As of now, our main aim is basically for the minors. So we are going step by step. So that aspect we will have to see as the investigation progresses. Then we will look into the angle also, and whether he has if he's going up and down, that means he must have. Then he will be liable for other sections of law which he has broken. The safety protocols and going from one district to another. So that the investigation itself will reveal at a later stage.